Y'all here early. You here for what? How to DIY and save a dime? It's early. I wasn't ready. Y'all gotta give me a moment. Oh, y'all still here? I'm ready. Let's go get started. Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Christmas haul. As you can see, it's a lot of stuff. So we're going to go through all the things, where I got them from, and I'm going to tell you something a little sad. So I moved to another state. So being that I'm in another state, I was excited to decorate the house and do everything for the holidays. And we had everything set. I had all of my totes, well, a big tote in a box. I knew that I had minimized a lot of stuff, but there was things like ornaments from the girls' Christmases that they made for as they were growing up and all that good stuff. Cannot find none of it. My projectors, if you've been rocking with me, you've been doing Usmas with us, we do Usmas. It's Usmas vlogs, and I'm the first one to ever do that. I've never seen no one else do Usmas. I've been doing that for years, and it's basically sharing us and different things that we do through the 12 days of Christmas is what I'm going to be doing this year. I found a lot of, thank God I found the vase that my grandmother gave me, which is worth something, and it's really old, and I'm so excited that out of all the things, I did find that. My projectors are gone, my rugs are gone, my Christmas rugs I got from, I think Kohl's or Target years ago that I washed, and they've always come back and bounce back and be beautiful for the next season. A lot of things are missing. I literally was feeling some type of way. If you know me, I'm so frugal, and I literally had to go out and buy everything that you see. I'm gonna tell you the things that I didn't buy. Some of this is from not last year, but the year before, because I sold my house last year, but the year before that after Christmas sale. So I got a lot of great things. If you guys don't remember the haul, I'll refresh your memory by sharing those things, but then I'll also share with you the things that I got this year. Literally had to go out and spend over $300. To some that's not a lot, but to me it is, because when I go and find these same things for like $1, 50 cents, $2 and stuff like that, it makes me feel some type of way. But my guy was like, well babe, you have to do it, we need the decorations, and I'm trying to get a tree together to do a little mini intro. So let's get into this haul. But yeah, this is why, and I'm only saying this, and this is my disclaimer, because you know I'm frugal and I don't shop like this for stuff like this. I like to get them as the years come and collect and add to my already collected things or whatever. So I was sad. I literally wanted to cry, but it is what it is. Thank God that I'm blessed to be able to go out and do this. I will say that I'm grateful for that. So yeah, let's go on and get into this haul. All right guys, so first thing I'm going to start with is Joann fabric. Last year the theme for my Christmas is going to be black, like reds and maroons, creams, whites, like neutral colors, and yeah, black, white, creams, red, maroons, like pearly colors, all like those colors, like traditional reds and stuff like that. This is a skirt cover, and tell me that is not the cutest skirt cover you ever seen. This bad boy was 50 bucks originally, but I waited until it went on after Christmas sale, and then I used a coupon, so I think I ended up paying 15 or something like that for it. But when I tell you this is thick, like this is thick, it feels like a freaking jacket. I got that from Joann fabric, so I'm in love with that. This started the theme of that cozy traditional color Christmas for me. Then I got the pillow shells, pillow covers. So I'm gonna put these on the couch with a pillow that I'll show you later. Now what I'm showing you now are things that I got last year when Christmas was over. These were $30 a piece, but I think I paid about 6 or 7 or something like that. I know at least half price I paid for them. Then I got this pillow from Joann Fabrics as well. and it just says joy, and it has the like fluffy sweatery feeling whatever you call it embroidering. All right, so that, and I got this cute throw, which was 60 bucks from Joann's. Was not paying that. And that's that. And yeah, I think for this I probably paid about 20 bucks. Oh, I thought it was coming apart, but it's a tassel. So yeah, it has these cute tassels, and this will be thrown on the couch as well. So yeah, that's from Joann's. My baby girl is helping me, so she's gonna be helping pass this stuff so I don't have to move. And that was all from Joann's last year. So this next set of stuff is from, I want to say, Walmart last year. So we'll begin with these little bad boys. I love these little trees, and these were like 50 cents, 10 cents, and all that. So I got a nice little amount of these. And these I had already. I can't find them. I cannot find them. So I got these little ones here. Yep. And I'll make some form of little Christmas theme somewhere in the house. And this one. And then I have another green and a little silver. So I got those. And these are really cheap after Christmas. After Christmas. Alright, so that's that from Walmart last year. Ooh, that flock stuff. Ooh. My baby girl, my other daughter wanted a flock tree, but I was like, yeah, no. It gets all over, but me and Rizzy wanted a white tree, right? So we got the white tree. So I got these, and these I think were like $2, $1.50 or something. Best time to get your wrapping paper after Christmas, because you know during Christmas it's kind of high. And not only that, Dollar Tree usually have some decent wrapping paper, but it kind of goes fast. So I try to get the after Christmas wrapping paper and make sure the rolls have at least well, this says 4 rows. I don't know if it's that many. It says 4.66 yards. That might be a decent amount. It feels heavy. We shall see. So that is the wrapping paper I got, because last year my mind was set for this color and this theme, and I'm so excited to decorate with that. I'm gonna work with what I got. All right, so I got these. We don't have a fireplace, but I'm gonna make it work. I got these. Hand me the other one, baby. I got 4 of these, and I want to say these were like 50 cents or something like that last year. So I got 4 of these. Yep. And I got these picks. Got some gold ones. And I got some silver ones. Oh, and silver and gold. And these are probably like 75 cents or probably not even. I want to say, I think when I went, this stuff was like 90% off. So yeah, I got these. That was part of last year. I found this cute star. And I think we're going to put this one, because it's a lit light up tree topper. We're going to put this on the white tree. We got a green tree and a white tree. The green tree will come in the living room. White tree is going to be in the other room. So this is going to be on the white tree. And I say this topper, I want to say this was about $2. Wasn't much at all. So that's the tree topper. Then I got these wreaths, and these are lit, and they were $2 something as well. So I got 1 and I got 2, and these are from Walmart. So I'm sharing this with you because if you are new or new to being on your own and decorating, and you can wait, like you might enjoy the holidays with your family next year, this year you can shop for next year. Now, I had bushes in front of my house, so my plan was to cover the bushes with these, but I don't have bushes, so I have to find something creative to do with them this year. So that's what I have, and I got these. These were really low. I think I paid, I don't know, I want to say everything was less than like $5 for these. Probably like $2.50, $3.50. So I got those. Next, we're going to go into Ross. Now, everything else, the garland. I got these 2 garlands as well, and they were like, I want to say $5 or something like that. So I got these garlands that are lit, and I got these last year after Christmas. I know these are like maybe $3.55, maybe. No, I think the lady gave me even better deal. These might have been like $1.50 to $2.50, and they still light. So we plugged them up, and they still light. So I got some ideas for those. And then this is the other one, just the same as that one, nothing major. There we go. These are, I don't know how long these are, guys. Maybe 6 feet, maybe. I don't know, but they were a good deal. Now, everything now that I'm about to show you was from Ross. So we have that over there. This was cute. I love the pearly look. Could y'all see it? Look at that. And I didn't realize till I got it to the front. I just liked it to put on a credenza when people first walk in. But it was $11.99, and it lights up. I've seen this on TV somewhere. Somebody had this, or it was what do you call it? Advertising this. Go get 2 AA batteries for me, Stinker Butt. So this is that, and it's a nice frame, and it has the creams and that gold and white color. So this will fit in really cute. Then at Ross, I thought these were so cute, and these were $4.99 a piece. Tell me these are not the cutest. I thought these were so cute, so I got 2 of these from Ross. And what else did I get from Ross? Oh, it's hard to find melanated Santa Clauses, and I found some. I got these towels that go over my kitchen stove. You see the little black Santa Clauses? Oh my gosh, too cute. And then I just got these, which are just regular cream and red. These were $4.99, and these were $4.99. So yeah, I got those. So when I'm washing a set, I'll put 2 out. So I'll put one of these and pick one of those and just throw them over the stove handle thingy. And I think that was it from Ross, right, Pook? It's on? Is it on? Let me see. Yeah, it's real dim. Yeah, it's real dim. It probably looks better at night. You can't really even tell that they're on. Yeah, I can see them coming on. It's so dim. Let's see how it looks later on tonight. But yeah, so that's that. Now, that too. And I got this cute holiday pillow. This would be for the main couch sofa. And this is it. Happy holidays. Didn't have a zipper. Nope. I usually try to find pillows with zippers, but it'll be just for the holidays. And it's so soft. It's real soft. And this pillow was $15. So this pillow was $15. And I got the rest of what I'm getting ready to show you was all from At Home. All of this was from At Home. And they had buy one, get one 50% off their ornaments. And so I have, hold on, y'all. These here. It's 50 ornaments for $9.99. So technically, if it was $9.99, take away $5, that leaves it $15. So it was like $7.50 for each one of these. $7.50 for each one of these. So I have these silver, and it has like this titanium look. I love those. Got that. Naya wanted these snowball iridescent looking things, and my baby was like, they look like your fingernails, and they actually do. Got that color of my nails on them. But yeah, we got 2 of those, and these were buy one get one free 50. So it's $3.99. And then you have this. So these was about, if you take away 2, about $3 a piece for these. So I got those. Naya wanted another little Christmas tree. Oh, and our mini Christmas tree's gone. Can't find them. Y'all know I had Christmas trees all over. Those are gone. Those are gone. So we got this one, and it was $10, which I'm like, we could have got a Dollar Tree Christmas tree. We'll see when she fluff it if it's worth the 10, because this was $10, yeah. But she wanted it, so we got that. Then I have more ornaments. got these black, white, red, and they have the shiny black, and they have the mate black. So I'm loving that. Loving that. And these were $9.99. Buy one, get one. And then I got these red and white. You have the shiny red, the mated red with like a pearly look to it, and then you have these ones with sparkly white. So that's that. And then yeah, start bringing them closer to you, babe. They didn't like these, but I thought these were so cute. It's like a light gray, like a really light hint of gray, and then the white, shiny white, well, shiny gray, I guess, and then the white. It was picking on me. This is open, so I'm gonna just do it like this. Then I have a gold set of gold, and these were $9.99. All of these big ones were $9.99. Then I have these, are so cute. These are gonna be randomly placed in there, so $7 for this big thing of these. Then I forgot to share, this was from last year. I got these from Walmart, I believe. Yeah, last year. Yeah, because this is holiday time, I believe, is Walmart's, yeah, thingy. And how much were these? I don't even see a price on these. But anyways, it's 41 pieces in here, and that was from Walmart from last year. Then I got these picks. I got these cute black and white picks. I got 3 pair of each, and I'm gonna separate them and put them in a tree. So I got these. Oops. And I got these red ones, and I'm gonna separate these as well. Yep, and these were $4.99 a piece, and the black and white ones were $5.99 a piece. They know that more people are liking that black and white, so it's like everything black and white is more expensive than any, or black mainly. Then I forgot, I got these for last year too, and it had that like natural linens, sort of burlappy look. And I got these for like, this was $8.98 at Joann Fabrics. Excuse me, I'm doing the same thing, like something got in my mouth. And it's 30 feet, and then the little one is 15. I think this is 15 feet and this is 30. I'm not sure. Wait, we got, yeah, 3 inches. This one is 15 feet and that's 30 feet. And I want to say these was like 2 something for those. Where's the little ribbon? Oh, and then I just got some regular black ribbon to do some things with. Yep, so that was from last year. I got these from At Home, and these are $4.99. Buy one, get one $50. So, and they're like teardrop looking little thingies. And then my babies wanted these Hallmark ornaments, and so we got this one for Naya. It's got Baby Yoda. She's in love with Baby Yoda. So these were $9 a piece, but buy one, get one 50% off. And my Snakebutt got, oh, this is so cute. I just realized it's the tree in Charlie Brown's hand. So she got this one. She likes Charlie Brown. And then Naya got this one with all the little characters from Star Wars. And then Rizzy got this one. Look at Snoopy sleeping on the top of his house. So yeah, I got those. And I want to say, oh, those pillows will be. These right here, I got buy one, get one. And these will go in the sitting room where the tree is. And I got 2 of these. They are so soft. And it's got the, I mean, this feels so freaking soft. So for both of them, it was 20 bucks. And that completes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you have any questions, leave it below. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. And I hope that you have an amazing holiday. If you're new to my family, make sure you join the family by hitting that subscribe bell. And with that being said, happy holidays, and I will see you guys later, Gators.